Imagine standing before cascading waters, their thunderous roar filling the air. Welcome to the spectacle that is Victoria Falls. Nestled between Zambia and Zimbabwe, this natural wonder stretches an impressive mile across, roughly twice the height of Niagara Falls. Often shrouded in mist, this smoke that thunders offers an unrivaled spectacle of raw power and majestic beauty. A sight to behold, the falls churn out over 500 million cubic meters of water per minute during the rainy season. A marvel of the natural world, Victoria Falls is a testament to the power and beauty of our planet. So, the next time you thirst for adventure, consider this stunning spectacle. There's nothing quite like it.